Okay, we're going to go over the new Ciro high performance LED lighting now available. What we have is the filler lights, which go on the side of the fender. We got the Fang LED inserts, plug and play install, and then we have the new bag lights. Got the amber blinkers. And then brake. Come around to the side. We've got the shock and awe engine lighting, which is stackable. You can add other lights to the bags or underneath the bike, and it all controls off either Bluetooth or it has a switch here on the other side. On the front, we have the new Horizon LED windshield trim and the LED fairing vent, and of course the Fang plug and play park and turn signals. What I like about the shock and awe with the separate controller, you can not only change color, but you can stack your gauge lights and your speaker rings or any other underlighting and control it from the same controller, which allows you to change the color. They're all synchronized like that. And no matter what color you're on, when you hit the brakes, you can have it turn red with the brake circuit. And then you can also make it flash and do some other things too. They got all kinds of little tricks on it. Okay. At night it's phenomenal, especially with the brake lights. Options. Then we have the Fang headlight housing. These are available in chrome or black. What I like about these is they interact with the blinkers. So do these, and these are the shock covers. These are also available in chrome or black. I'm going to hit the blinker so you can see it. These are also changed to amber, but put them on the fork. Got it? Go to the other side. All right. Our next clip will be showing what it looks like at nighttime.